Here is something that might surprise you. In my experience, the thing that stresses people out most after an accident is not always the damage to the car. It is everything else. Hi, I'm Art from Arts Autobody and Paint in Pomona, and I want to be honest about something that does not get acknowledged often enough in this industry. For most people, the car damage itself is a solvable problem. There is a shop, there is insurance, there is a process. The car will get fixed. But the stress that comes with that process, the logistics, the uncertainty, the inconvenience, that is what really gets to people. How do I get to work? Who is picking up the kids? How long will this actually take? What if the rental runs out before the repair is done? Who do I call if I have questions? Why has no one updated me? Those are not repair questions. Those are life questions. And when life gets disrupted, the emotional weight of the situation grows quickly. I think this is worth saying out loud because it helps people recognize that what they are feeling after an accident is normal. You are not overreacting. You are managing something that genuinely touches multiple parts of your life at once. And recognizing that can help you approach it more clearly. The logistics become more manageable when you address them directly and early. Get the rental sorted, establish communication with the shop, make your schedule adjustments, ask the questions you have rather than sitting with the uncertainty. And work with a shop that understands this dynamic, one that sees the person, not just the vehicle. One that communicates proactively because they know you have a life happening around this repair. One that treats your timeline as something that matters, not just a number on a work order. At Arts Autobody and Paint, we have been doing this long enough to know that a smooth repair experience is about more than technical skill. It is about reading the situation the customer is in and responding to all of it. If you are in that situation right now, stressed, overwhelmed, trying to manage the repair alongside everything else life is throwing at you, we want to help make this part easier. Come see us at Arts Autobody and Paint in Pomona. Call 909-620-5464 or visit artsautobodyandpaint.com for a free estimate. We will take the repair seriously and treat you like a person, not just a job ticket.